night routine. It's been a while since I did this night routine, so I will firstly start by using the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7-toner solution to clean my face. Sorry guys. Sorry for the mess. This is what works for me, so I'm gonna use it every time. I use it every time. You can see how it gone down, like almost halfway to finish. I've been using it for some time now, but I don't do a video of it because I'll be busy. This thing is toner now. Ordinary Peel Solution, as you can see. So they said that this goes for 10 minutes on the face. 10 minutes on the face. So let's try and see the difference. As you saw my face before, let's just rub it in. It's supposed to go for 10 minutes. So guys, let's give it all time. As you can see, I just washed it off. I'm about to just dry my face out. This is my face towel. And secondly, we are going to use, I forgot my pad, for toner. And just clean. This is how I normally do it. If they have any other way to do it, I don't know of it, but this is how I normally do it, and it works for my face. It also works for my own arm. See, take a look. Look. So next here will be our retinol from the Ordinary. This is very good. I use it all of the time. It's very, very good. Sorry guys, I'm using my one hand because my other hand have sew on it. I have one. See my face. So for this, I'll leave it on for it to dry. Right now is late at night, so I use my Olay. Night cream. After trying this, this smells good. Only so I'm gonna just take over. Finish and just rub her in. So soft. This is my night routine, y'all. And it doesn't react to my face. Feels so good. So yeah, so I'm gonna use my lip gloss. Lip gloss from She Glows. Smell so good. Yeah, I love to rub my lip gloss on top of my lips so that I will not tear. When my husband sees it, he'll be like, babe, what's this? As he clean it up. So yeah guys, easy peasy, that's my night routine. I love how I do all of my little stuff small. I love it and I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, please. This is very important for us to grow. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'm going to be putting up a lot of skincare routines, care ready with me, unboxing videos up. Please, let's grow together. Bye bye. Thanks. Bye bye.